Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 31st, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we're definitely still very bullish. I still think it's going to go up to at least this 123 level, which is all the way up above the 180 area. Doesn't mean there might not be some bigger pullbacks on sort of time frames, but as long as we don't get a break of structure on the higher time frames, like at least the daily 4 hour, then I definitely would be doing nothing but looking for longs on shorter time frames still. So keeping that in mind, going down to the 1 hour time frame, we got our Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move up. And now I was thinking that maybe this right here was the end of a correction. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. It may actually end up going down, retesting one of these lower fib levels before it actually goes up. So I personally am still looking for nothing for longs. If it does end up drifting down again, that's fine. I'll just end up waiting patiently for another long opportunity at the end of a ABC pullback and potentially a nice Fibonacci bounce. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.